Welcome. Today we take few important problems on the chapter area under plane curves. It is part 3 of that chapter. Take the first problem as area bounded by y is equal to log, this is not y, x is equal to log base e 1 upon y, x-axis, y-axis, and x is equal to log 4. Options are 3 by 4, 5 by 3, 2 and 4 by 3. So let us first draw the problem. We have to find the area between this curve, x-axis, y-axis, and these three lines, straight lines, and this curve. Actually, the curve is, from this one, we get y 1 by y is equal to e to the power x. That is, y is equal to e to the power minus x. This is known curve to us. It is when x is equal to minus infinity, it becomes e to the power plus infinity. So it is there. It is coming from infinity. At x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. So at that point, y is equal to 1. And when x tends to infinity, this becomes e to the power minus infinity, means 0. So it is of that type. Curve is this. Y is equal to that. That is, this is equal to that. X-axis is simply this one, y-axis is simply this one, and x is equal to log 4. Log 4, it is more than 1. So suppose this is that, say. So this is our required region, O, A, B, C. So that required region is OABC is equal to integration, as because x-axis is a boundary line, here y-axis also boundary line, but still it is easy to integrate with respect to x-axis because limits of the region for x, 0 and a, it is known to us. So it is y dx, means e to the power minus x dx, y dx, and limit from 0 to log 4. Oh, just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. X-axis, y-axis, and okay. So that integration is minus e to the power minus x from 0 to log 4. It is equal to minus e to the power minus log 4 minus e to the power 0. So that minus e to the power minus log 4 means 1 by 4, because e to the power log of 4 to the power minus 1 means 1 by 4 minus 1. So that it is equal to minus 3 by 4. So ultimately it is plus 3 by 4. So this option is correct. Now let us take the next problem. Next problem is the area bounded by y into root over of x minus 1 is equal to 1. X axis x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 10 is options 2, 3, 4 and 10. 2, 3, 4 and actually it is 6, not 10. So we get an idea about the region. The region is between this curve x-axis, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 10. These three are straight lines. This is a curve. Now this curve is y, something uncommon, y is equal to 1 upon root over of x minus 1. How to draw it? When x is less than 1, it becomes negative, so imaginary. As a whole, y is imaginary. So it has no branch before x is equal to 1. At x is equal to 1, this becomes 1 by 0, that is 1 by 0 is infinity. After that, gradually uh, x is equal to say 2, 1 by 1, that is 1. So at x is equal to 1, it is 1 by 0, that is infinity. So from at 1, x is equal to 1, it starts from infinity. And then gradually, when x tends to infinity, it becomes 1 by infinity means 0. So it is actually equal to of that type. A rough sketch is required, so it is a rough sketch. But the technique is take where the curve is valid, real, and where it is not real and defined, I mean real and finite. And then find few points where a value can be assessed. So this is the curve, x-axis is this, x is equal to 2 is that, this is x is equal to 1, it is x is equal to 2, and it is x is equal to 10. This is 2, this is 10. So we get an idea about the region. Let it be A, B, C, D. So required region is ABCD, and area is y dx. Y is 1 upon root over of x minus 1 into dx, and range from limit from 2 to 10, so that it is equal to, this is x minus 1 to the power minus half dx. It is equal to x minus 1 to the power half by half. This plus 1, that is half, divided, this to the power half divided by half means 2, and 2 to 10. So that it is equal to 2 into, when we put x is equal to 10, this is 9 to the power half, that is 3, minus, when we put x is equal to 2, this become 1. So 1 to the power half is 1. So it is 1. So that we get, it is 2 into 2, that is 4. 4 square unit is the required area. So option C, third option is correct. Next. Our next problem is area bounded by y is equal to mod of x minus 1 and y is equal to 1 minus mod x is options 8, 4, 6 and 2. Just 1 minute. 8, 4, 6 and 2. We have to find, in that problem, we have to find area between these two curves only. So first of all, we have to draw the curves. Actually, it is equal to, the first one is equal to y is equal to x minus 1 if x is greater than or equal to 0. Because if x is positive, mod x is x. And it is equal to 1 minus x if x is less than 0. Similarly, for this, y is equal to 1 minus x if x is greater than or equal to 0, and it is equal to 1 plus x if x is less than, in fact it is equal, because in that case it is 0, same case. So let us draw it first. I take this first. When x is greater than or equal to 0, we get x minus y is equal to 1. X minus y is equal to 1. So x by 1 plus y by minus 1, x by 1, y by minus 1, when x positive. When x positive. So actually this is the case. This one is x plus y is equal to 1 when x is negative. So x by 1, y by 1. X by 1 means this, y by 1, this is x by 1 plus x plus y is equal to 1. When x is negative means in that case, better first we draw that one. First, I have drawn it first, then I take that. It is x plus y is equal to 1 when x is greater than or equal to 0. X by 1 plus y by 1. So it is x by 1, y by 1. It is this one when x positive. And this one actually, y minus x is equal to 1. That is y by 1. X by minus 1. Y by 1 when x is negative in along that side. So this is this, and last of all this is x. This is actually equal to, sorry, this is not, this is minus x minus 1. It is actually x plus y is equal to minus 1. This one, x plus y is equal to minus 1. So x by minus 1, y by minus 1 when x is negative. So actually this is the figure. Total region is the shaded part. Let it be A, B, C, D. This is origin O. Required region is A, B, C, D is equal to 4 times O, A, B, O. Due to symmetry, it is 4 times of that triangle. Now, no need of integrating it because its area is area of a right angle triangle. It is half into base. Base is 1. Height is also 1. And before that, 4 is there. 4 into half into 1 into 1. Once again, this 4 is that 4. And this triangle is right angle triangle. This is half into base is 1. Altitude is again 1. So 2 is answer. So 2 square unit is answer of that one. Mind that the curve which includes modular sign is very important for different competitive exam. Next, next problem is area bounded by y is equal to 2 cos x. X-axis x is equal to 0 and x is equal to pi. So we have to find the area of the region bounded by that. Of course, y is equal to cos x or y is equal to 2 cos x is known to us. And this is straight line, this is a straight line, this is straight line. So drawing up that problem is very simple. The options are 8, 6, 4 and 2. Suppose this is x-axis, y-axis. Y is equal to 2 cos x. Y is equal to cos x. At the point x is equal to 0, cos x is 1. Here, y is equal to 2 cos x. So at x is equal to 0, this is 2. Suppose this is 2. It starts from here. At pi by 2, it becomes 0. At that point, it is say pi by 2, it is 0. And at x is equal to pi, this is minus 1, so minus 2. So the curve is like that at pi. So suppose the curve is A, B, C, D and that. So total region is this. Important thing is that some part of the curve is above x-axis and some part is below x-axis. So we have to use modular sign for the area for the region which is below x-axis. That means that. So therefore required region is equal, required area is equal to, first thing is OBAO. OBAO, it is above x-axis, plus BCDV, this is below x-axis. Now this is OABC, this to that is curve is 2 cos x, and y is equal to 2 cos x dx, and limit is from 0 to pi by 2, plus second one is BCDB. BCDB, it's y is equal to 2 cos x again dx, and limit from pi by 2 to pi. And as because whole region is below x-axis, so one modular sign to be applied here. And it is equal to 2 sine x 0 to pi by 2 plus 2 sine x again from pi by 2 to pi. So that it is equal to 2 into sine pi by 2 is 1, 2 into 1 minus 2 into sine 0 is 0. So that part is 2 plus this one is sine pi, mod of sine pi is 0 minus this is sine pi by 2. Sine pi by 2 is 1, so 2. So that it is equal to 2 plus 2, that is 4. So 4 is answer. Next. Next problem is area in the first quadrant. Area in the first quadrant between 4x square plus 9y square is equal to 36 and x is equal to root 5. Options. Number 1, 2 root 5 by 3 plus 3 sine inverse root 5 by 3. Second option, 9 by 2 sine inverse root 5 by 3. Third, 5 plus sine inverse root 5 by 3, root 5 by 6, and last option is 5 by 2 sine inverse root 3 by 5. Base. Okay. So the curve is known to us. First, let us draw it first. It is an ellipse. Actually, it is x square by 9, that is 3 square, plus y square by 4, that is 2 square, is equal to 1. So this is the figure. We have to find the area in the first quadrant. So in that first quadrant, between this and x is equal to root 5. This is x is equal to root 5. So this is the region. So now it becomes very simple. So area is equal to integration y dx. Y can be taken from this. It is equal to root over of 36 minus 4x square by y, 9y square is equal to that. So y is equal to 36 minus 4x square divided by 1 by 9, that's square root. So it is that dx between 0 to pi root 5. 0 to that. Now it is actually this 1 by 3 into, it is of the type 0 to root 5, root over of 4 can be taken common from there. So it will be 2 there. So 2. And it is equal to 4 means 9. That is 3 square minus x square dx. This is integration. And we know that root over of s square minus x square dx is equal to x by 2 into root over of s square minus x square plus a by 2 into s square by 2 into sine inverse x by a. Standard form of integration, this value is that. So it is here 2 by 3 into, it is x by 2 into 2 by 3 is taken common, x by 2 into root over of s square minus x square, 9 minus x square plus s square by 2. S square means 9 by 2 into sine inverse x by a, and limit from 0 to root 5. It is equal to 2 by 3 into root 5 by 2 into root over of 9 minus 5, that is 4, that is 2, plus 9 by 2 sine inverse root 5 by 3 minus, when I put lower limit 0, for this value it become whole thing is 0, and for x is equal to 0, sine inverse 0 is 0. So this is, after simplification, it will be this one. First option is correct. Okay. Okay, this is correct answer. Next problem. Shorter. Area of the region bounded by y square is equal to x and y is equal to mod x. So two curves are here. Options are 1 by 3, 1 by 6, 2 by 3, and 2. One of the, it is hazy, it become hazy. Okay, let us take this is the given options. And that problem was given in the year JEE in the year 10. So we have to draw it first. Y square is equal to x. This is very common curve. It is parabola. Vertex is at origin, this one. And y is equal to mod x. This is a y is equal to mod x. It is a V-shaped curve. Its vertex is at that point. X is equal to 0. That is here. So this is of that type. So region bounded by this and that is this: O, A, B, C, O. From there, we have to draw one perpendicular, let it be D. And first of all, we have to find the x coord value of x at the point B. It is point of intersection of this and that. Y square is equal to x and y is equal to mod x. That branch is for x is positive. So it is y is equal to x. So that we get x square, y square means x square is equal to x. That is x into x minus 1 is equal to 0. So this point obviously 0 and x coordinate of B, it is 1. That point is 1 comma 0 and point B is when x is equal to 1, y also equal to 1. So B point is 1 comma 1. So required region is O, A, B, C, O is equal to O, C, B, D, O minus the white part, that is O, D, B, A. It is OCBD, OCBDO. It is x-axis is a boundary line. So y into dx. Y can be taken from this curve. That is y is root x dx. Limit from 0 O to D, that is 0 to A, minus that part. It is plain a right angle triangle. So no need of calculating with the help of integration because you are answering MCQ questions in what way you calculated no matter. So this is equal to half into base, that is 1, into height is again 1. So that it is equal to x to the power half, its integration, x to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, 0 to 1 minus half. It is equal to 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 minus 0 and minus this half. So that it is equal to 6. 4 minus 3, so 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 is option. Next problem. Area bounded by y is equal to log x base e, x is equal to 0, y is less than or equal to 0, and x-axis is options 1, 3 by 4, 3/5 and 2. First of all, the problem is one curve is given. This is actually y-axis. This is y less than or equal to 0, that is below x-axis, and x-axis. First of all, let us try to draw. Oh, that problem was given in. That problem is given in the WBJE. In the year. Let us draw it first. Y is equal to log x. Actually, when x is near 0 but positive, it starts from minus infinity, and it meets x-axis at the point x is equal to 1. So this is of that type. This curve is that x is equal to 0, y-axis. Y-axis, this curve, y less than or equal to 0. Y less than or equal to 0 means below x-axis and x-axis. So the region is this. This starts from minus infinity. Required region is O, A, B, O. B actually it is at minus infinity. So it is equal to, here we can integrate with respect to y-axis. Y, range of y is 0, and here it is minus infinity. So minus infinity to 0, x dy, x dy, x is equal to e to the power y into dy. So it is equal to e to the power y from minus infinity to 0. So that it is equal to e to the power 0 means 1, and e to the power minus infinity is 0. So 1 square unit is answer. So this is correct option. Okay, let us stop today. Next day we take next 2 or 3 days we take few more problems. So today I request you, if you feel that the video is helpful for you, you please share it, like it, and subscribe it. Thank you.